There's blood on my pants and there's a blood on my hand. I don't know. Hey guys, this is me, Alina, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing this full coverage Dewy, glowy, glad, but full coverage. I am talking like in like an advertisement. I don't know. So yes, we are going to create this look right here that you are seeing on my face. So before we just jump right into the video, so make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video so you don't miss out like this one. And also do follow me on all of my social media accounts to get updates and see what is going on behind this YouTube thing. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So guys, I'm starting off with Eva Skin Glow Power Serum, and I'm going to be using only 2 or 3 drops onto my face. Going in with the Eva Hydra Burst Moisturizer, and this is really good for dry skin people. Going in with the Nivea Aftershave Balm and the My Glam Spotlight Illuminating Liquid in the shade Sun Kissed, and I'm going to be mixing them both together and then apply it on my skin for a glowy, dewy look. So yeah. For foundation, I am going in with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick, and my shade is F10. This foundation is my absolute favorite, and you can see it like almost finished up. And this blends seamlessly into the skin, and I really like this one. Now using a beauty blender to just blend this whole thing out. After the foundation, I'm going in the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer to just set my foundation in place and give me a very dewy glow. In this makeup process, I'm going to be using the setting spray several times, so don't come at me, because this is the like game changer for the makeup. Like for me, it's like a game changer. It just makes everything like so like skin-like. After the foundation sets into its place, so I'm going in with the Flower Beauty Concealer, and my shade is Deep. I think I should pick up medium deep because this shade is a bit that dark on me, but I'm gonna make it work. This concealer is so good, you guys. This is expensive, but it is worth it. Like, this concealer just sits in your under eyes like so good, like hands down the best concealer that I've ever used. Next, I'm going in with a brightening concealer, and I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. My shade in this one is a 317 Almond. Powder, I'm going in with the K Beauty loose powder. It's in the shade Banana, and I'm just going to be lightly dusting this powder under my eyes, lightly, with a very good powder brush. Also, I'm going to be setting my eyelid because we are going to be using only single color for that bronzy glow. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. that, I'm going in with another layer of the setting spray. Just on my face. Spray, I'm going in with this tint. It is from Etude House and in the shade RB306. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It's in the shade Molten Rose Gold. There's blood on my pants and there's a blood on my hand, I don't know. Put this all over my face, like not all over, but yeah, some high points like here and here. For eyes, I'm going to be using the same tint on my eyelids and then just blending this out and then putting the highlighter on. Okay, I'll show you the whole process. Next, I'm going to be topping my eyelid with this highlighter. I'm using a little bit, just a little bit of this one on my eyelids. I'm going in with the same highlighter on my inner corners. I'm using my fingers for that. You can use a brush, but I'm too lazy to go and pick it up a brush while it is right here in front of me. So I'm going to be load my lashes with the mascara, and for that I'm going to be using these two from the Maybelline, and this one is the Total Temptation and this one is the Falsies Push Up Drama. The combination of these two is just perfect. It just adds up the volume and the length and everything is just so good and on point. And the lashes are just amazing. You don't even need falsies for that. And let me quickly show you the difference between both. See, just see the lashes. This one has like more dark and everything is perfect. Again, setting spray. I'm going in with the last spray of this setting spray on my face. Just set everything in place and just give me a very dewy look. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, so make sure to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, so you don't miss out like this one. And yeah, and also follow me on all of my social media accounts to get updates, and I'm like mostly active on my Instagram, so go there and follow me right now. You will see the username right here somewhere. So yeah, thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Love you.